Hello, I'm Eric.
Brian.
We came here from Germany. We're at here in Kiel. The journey has been pretty seamless. We went online to find out some information in regards to hair transplant. We were interested in it for a while. We did submit to request some information, and we had Ali message us back pretty quickly. From there, the process was very smooth. He explained everything that needed. Um, he explained the whole entire process to us, sent pictures, explained every single detail, set everything up for us, the hotel, the travel, all of the arrangements, everything was seamless process. So the procedure was pretty simple. It was cut in two portions. Had the first portion was very simple, and then we had lunch provided by staff. And then the second portion after lunch, we had implants placed, and it was again quick and easy. We went home, and we're back today getting our wash, our shampoo, and we're excited for this journey.